The Greatest Salesman in the World by O.G. Mandino is a self-help book that imparts valuable life lessons through the story of a fictional character named Hafid, who becomes the greatest salesman in ancient Jerusalem. The book presents 10 scrolls, each containing a principle or lesson. Let's break down these key lessons with explained examples from the book. 1. The power of good habits. I will form good habits and become their slave. Cultivate positive habits to lead a successful and fulfilling life. Hafid is taught to greet every person he meets with love in his heart. By consistently practicing this habit, he builds strong relationships and earns trust. 2. The power of love. I will greet this day with love in my heart. Love and kindness are powerful forces for personal and professional success. Hafid applies the lesson of love by genuinely caring for his customers. He listens to their needs and provides solutions with empathy and compassion. Before we continue, welcome to Short Version, where we draw out the key concepts from each book published on the channel, in order to approach life and its many aspects from a greater perspective. Please take the time to thumbs up to support the channel and to subscribe for more content. Have a great listening. 3. The power of persistence. I will persist until I succeed. Perseverance is essential in achieving one's goals. Hafid faces numerous rejections in his sales efforts but continues to persevere. He learns from each rejection, refines his approach, and ultimately succeeds. 4. The power of time. I am nature's greatest miracle. Embrace the uniqueness of yourself and every moment in time. Hafid realizes that each day is a gift and a miracle. He starts appreciating the beauty and significance of every moment. 5. The power of adaptability. I will live this day as if it is my last. Embrace change and live fully in the present. Hafid adapts to changing market conditions and customer preferences. He constantly updates his sales strategies to stay relevant and effective. 6. The power of communication. Today I will be master of my emotions. Master your emotions to communicate effectively. Hafid learns to control his emotions during negotiations, ensuring that he remains calm, focused, and persuasive. 7. The power of compassion. I will laugh at the world. Find joy and compassion in life. Hafid learns to find joy in simple pleasures, appreciating the beauty of nature and the laughter of children. 8. The power of skill. Today I will multiply my value 100-fold. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge. Hafid invests time in mastering sales techniques, product knowledge, and market trends, significantly increasing his value as a salesman. 9. The power of enthusiasm. I will act now. Take action with enthusiasm and energy. Hafid seizes sales opportunities with enthusiasm and urgency. His quick and enthusiastic responses lead to more successful deals. 10. The power of gratitude. I will pray for guidance. Express gratitude and seek guidance from a higher power. Hafid prays for wisdom, guidance, and gratitude daily. He acknowledges the role of faith in his success. The Greatest Salesman in the World is a book that offers valuable life lessons through the journey of its protagonist, Hafid. The principles presented in the scrolls are not only applicable to sales but can be applied to various aspects of life to achieve success, happiness, and personal growth. Don't hesitate to leave a comment about a book you'd like to see published. You can also contribute to the channel's growth by making a donation, and while you're waiting for the next audio, don't forget. Knowledge is nothing without understanding, which is nothing without application. Look forward to seeing you soon on the channel, Short Version.
Perfect.